Hunter Local Land Services' Clean Coastal Catchments project has been supporting local dairy farmers to undertake changes on farm that reduce the likelihood of nutrient loss into waterways, whilst also maximising the benefits that come from improved distribution of cow manure nutrients more evenly across the farm. Led by Peter Bill and supported by agronomist Josh Hack, the project has been working with Dolly's Flat dairy farmer George Tiedeman. Over the past year, the watering system across his 73-hectare milking platform has been transformed from 3 laneway positions troughs to a network of 22, sited more appropriately within paddocks. Benefits delivered to local catchments, cow health and well-being, and the profitability and management of the dairy operation have been significant. Here we hear more from George and Josh themselves.
Hi everyone, how are you going? My name's Josh Hack. I'm here with George Tiedeman at Wingham, New South Wales. We're part of the Clean Coastal Catchment Project with the Local Land Services, managed by Peter Bill at Taree. After doing the first smart plan here, this was sort of a new lease farm for these guys about 12 months ago. We done a first smart plan. We really recognised on this farm that there wasn't many water troughs. There's only a couple of water troughs. The cows were walking through all our laneways. Okay, and we're getting a lot of movement of all our urines and all that sort of stuff up and down the laneways, and that potentially can move into waterways, etc. Plus, we're missing out on good nutrient that we want to be putting on the paddocks. So we identified, and a part of the Clean Coastal Catchment Project, we've been able to install water troughs across the farm here, George. And how have you found it, like with the cows and some of the benefits that you guys are seeing?
Well, obviously, for starters, the cows don't have to walk, like you said. But obviously I can speak to the production and whatnot. Can't sort of get into the numbers yet, but obviously that's going to help. And yeah, like you say, there's much nutrient as we can keep on the paddock, for nothing. Heaps bounds in front of where we were before,
Yeah, absolutely. So as we can see, we've got a water trough here, one of the ones that's been installed. Dogs are just having a nice drink. So we've got about 22 of these across the farm, and we've been able to keep the cows in the paddock and eating longer.
Yep.
Okay, so they're not walking and using energy to go back up to get water. So we're going to have better production that way. Also, we've got shady areas down around here as well. They're just coming straight to water. And we've just gone through periods of 46, 48 degrees over the last sort of 4 weeks. And it's been absolutely terrible, for production, just because the cows don't want to eat at that time.
Yeah.
But at least they've got water close. So if we can keep clean water up to them, we're doing a production thing. But we're going to manage this river system way better, because now we're keeping the nutrients spread across the paddocks. We're not getting it in the laneways and into those creeks and lower river systems. And then we're going to look after our coastal environment as well.